So Rob says that he's gonna make a barbecue connoisseur out of me. Okay. So anyway, I've got to wrap his beef ribs. So he said get 2 big things of foil. So we've got like 2 racks of ribs out, 2 or 3 racks of ribs out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer these. So that's for 1 rib, 1 wrap, and for the other wrap, so 2 of them. So he's been smoking them for, gosh, several hours. These things are going to fall off the bone. Hopefully, when I go to pick them up, that they don't like fall all apart on me. So anyway, that, and then he's got some Angry Orchard apple that I'm going to squirt on it. Okay, so we're going to go outside and I'm going to go do the ribs real quick. Okay, so we're going to go outside, and I wish you could smell this. Smells good. Okay, so let's see what the ribs look like. Oh, he's got 4 wraps. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh, more foil. Okay, so I've got more foil out here. So what I'm going to do is, I've got my tongs. Gosh, that looks so good. Right here. So I'm going to squirt all that. Angry Orchard. Oh, that's going to be so good. That smells good. Oh, that smells good. Okay. That's all wrapped up there. Sorry. So they're all on the Traeger now. Okay, so we're going to close this back up. We're going to turn this up to 225. Okay, so it's on 225, and now we're just going to leave it. Nice. Well, I hope I did it right. We'll see how it all turns out. Okay, bye. So one of the things he did tell me is I need to check pellets. Yeah, I think the pellets are good. These are, I think these are mesquite. Yeah, I think they're mesquite. anyway, yeah, so I think that's all good. All right. So now I'm going to sit out here with my Corona. While I sit and edit the video. Oh, and I want you to look at that. Look at that view. That's Mount Rainier from our front porch. We have ridden our motorcycles around that several times. 178-mile motorcycle trip. That's absolutely fantastic. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna enjoy.